Hey guys, as you have seen by the title of this video, we will be talking about what you should be doing in college if you want to get into medical school. If you 100% see yourself in the medical field in the future, getting ahead of the game and planning your classes wisely in undergrad will make the process a lot easier. And if you're not completely certain but have interest in the topic, hopefully this video will help you decide if medical school and its process is right for you. Now let's get started. So first we'll talk about classes. So one thing to be clear is that all medical schools require different requirements, but there are some core classes that you must take. So that would be biology, physics, general chemistry, organic chemistry, English, and math. So taking these courses in college will help you familiarize yourself with the knowledge that's needed to succeed in medical school and ace the MCAT, which we'll be talking about a little bit later in the video. Next, we'll talk about extracurriculars. So to get into medical school and in the medical field in general, they often want to see some prior experience with medicine and science before you apply. Most students sometimes find it hard to narrow down the activities they want to do and which ones are necessary. So we've compiled a list of activities which you might be interested in. So first would be finding research experience at a lab. So getting research at a lab is a valuable experience that can help you see the science behind medicine and the medical advancements and discoveries that can help improve patients' health. Next would be to work or volunteer at a hospital. Having a job at a hospital or simply volunteering at a hospital can get you even more exposure to life at the hospital and get used to the environment. This can also give you some experience that medical schools look for when reviewing applicants. Lastly, we'll be talking about grades and test scores. So GPA is super important in college and medical schools because they care about how well you do in your classes. A 3.64 GPA is required in science and an overall of 3.71. So make sure you are excelling in all of your classes so that you can achieve your goal of getting into medical school. Lastly, we'll be talking about the MCAT score. So the MCAT is a standardized test that sees how well you do in scientific concepts and problem solving. The maximum score you can get is 528, and to be competitive, you should get a score of 510. The more science classes you take, the better you will be prepared for the MCAT, which is why pre-med students often take many science courses. So that wraps up our video in the courses you should take in undergrad if you want to pursue a medical career. Getting into medicine is a long and tough process, but if you act smart from the beginning, it will go a lot smoother and be less scary. Please let us know if this video was helpful to you and comment on anything that you plan to do or are doing currently that I've mentioned. Turn on the notifications to know exactly when we post our next video, which will be very soon.